File Server Folder Launcher. The File Server Folder Launcher feature gives users the ability to mount and reveal specific folders on a network volume that are related to the aACE record they are currently viewing. It's ideal for companies where digital asset production is a significant part of their workflow. To use the feature, locate any record in the Leads, Projects, Orders, and Jobs modules and simply select Reveal File Server Folder. The user is prompted to enter credentials to access the network volume, and the appropriate folder is opened. If the folder doesn't exist yet, aACE will automatically create one and even include an optional custom folder workflow inside. The feature is fast, simple, and incredibly powerful, enabling your company to organize mass digital content with minimal effort. To set up the feature, from the menu, click on System Admin, then Preferences. In the System Preferences window, click on the Document Management section. In the Network Volume Setup section, enter the file server share address. Examples of how the addresses should appear are provided on screen. In this video, we are connecting to an Apple file server. Enter the full address to the server, followed by a /, then the share volume name. Next, we have to specify the path leading to the hosted folder from the perspective of the client's workstation. To do so, start with the volume name or drive letter and enter the full path to the hosted folder, which in this case is Digital Assets. For Windows users, be sure that the drive letters for each client workstation is identical. In this case, we are specifying Drive Z. To test your settings, click the Launch Folder button. This will reveal the hosted folder, which will contain all folders requested from the Leads, Projects, Orders, and Jobs modules, as well as any template folders you establish. With template folders, you have three options. You can either choose not to create any template folders, or you can create folders that are specific to each module, or you can create a one-size-fits-all generic template folder. Click either of the template buttons to create and open a template folder, then populate it with a folder structure that gives your users a starting point for their respective workflow. For example, to create a template folder for orders, simply click the Orders button to reveal its template folder, then populate it with a typical workflow for all future orders. To test it, locate any record in Orders and select Reveal File Server Folder. A new folder will appear and its contents are ready to go. There you have it. If you need any more information, check out our website at aacesoft.com. Thanks for watching.